Now let's look at the question we have on the board on rationalization of surds. The question is, express 8 minus 3 root of 6 over 2 root of 3 plus 3 root of 2 in the form m root of 3 plus n root of 2, where m and n are rational numbers. So if we are to look at this, it simply means we have to rationalize this first. So we are going to have 8 minus this all over 2 root of 3 plus 3 root of 2. So if we are to rationalize it, we are going to have 8 minus 3 root of this. So we are to multiply by the denominator, but our plus sign here will change to minus. So we have 2 root of 3 minus 3 root of 2. Then all over the denominator itself, which is 2 root of 3 minus 3 root of 2. Then in brackets, you're going to have 2 root of 3, plus here, because that's the original denominator given to us. So there will now becomes what? Minus 3 root of what? 2. So by the time you go further to expand it, we are going to have 8 times 2. We are going to have 16 root of 3. Then minus 8 times 3 is what? 24 root of 2. Then minus, we have 3 times 2 is 6. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Then minus and minus, we have plus. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 6 times 2 is 12. So from here, we have this. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4 root of 9. Then minus 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 2 is 6. So we have that. Then we have plus 3 times 2 is what? Is 6. And 2 times 3 is also 6. Then plus and minus is minus. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So if we proceed further, this will now be equal to 16 root of 3 minus 24 root of 2. Then minus 18 can be simplified to be 9 times 2. Then plus 9, 12 can also be simplified to be what? To be 4 times 3. Then all over. We'll come back here. Square root of 9 here is 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then from here, minus 6 root of 6 plus 6 root of 6. Positive number to be added, negative or number to be added to the positive of that same number is 0. So at the end, we are going to have minus. Then square root of 4 here is 2. So 2 times 9, we are going to have 18. So from here now, we are going to have 16 root of 3 minus 24 root of 2. So square root of 9 here is 3. So 3 times 6 is 18 root of 2. Plus square root of 4 here is 2. So 9 times 2 is 18 root of 3. Then to be divided by 12 minus this is what? Minus 6. So from here now we have we have similar surds here. So we are going to have 16 root of 3 plus 18 root of 3. Then we have minus 24 root of 2 minus 18 root of 2. Then everything to be divided by minus 6. So if you are to add the similar surd now, 16 plus 18 should give us 34 root of 3 minus 24 root of 2 minus 18 root of 2. That should give us minus 42 root of 2 to be divided by minus 6. So by the time we divide each of them by the minus 6 now, we should be having this place as minus 34 root of 3 over 6. Then because of this minus and this other minus, you're going to have plus 42 root of 2 over what? 6. So our answer now should be, so what can divide here? 2 can go. So 2 here will give us 17 minus 17 root of 3 all over what? 2 divide here, we have 3. Then plus, so 6 can go into 42, we are going to have 7. So with this now, we have been able to express this in this form of m root of 3 plus n root of 2. So we can now say therefore our m is equals to minus 17 over 3, and then our n is equals to what? 7. So this is how you solve question like this. So in our next video, we are going to take one more example on a question like this, and then we'll come to the end of the topic. So see you in the next video.